Hello again. I'm Dr. Agboola, Director of Public Health for Warwickshire. I want to share with you today the latest news about coronavirus in Warwickshire. We are seeing an increase in number of positive cases of COVID-19. I know the last 6 months have been difficult for everyone, and I also know that it has taken its toll on many families who have lost loved ones and on those whose mental health has suffered. The difficult facts are that we are still in a pandemic, and as with the rest of the country, we have seen a significant rise in number of positive cases across Warwickshire. Although they are not as high as other parts of the country, they are still far higher than we want to see. The biggest issue we face currently is household transmission, where family and friends are coming together and the virus is spreading from one family member to another. And although the rise in cases started with younger people, we are now, as anticipated, seeing that translate into cases of older, more vulnerable residents. The second area where a rise in transmission has been identified is with people visiting pubs and restaurants in large numbers, moving from one pub to the next on a night out. Whilst new restrictions mean that pubs and restaurants will close at 10 p.m., which will, I hope, mean that people will have fewer opportunities to move around for long periods of time, potentially spreading the virus, my advice to those visiting pubs and restaurants will be to stay in one place for the evening and keep your number of contacts low. This in turn will help to reduce the spread of the virus and the number of premises which will have to close as a result, and the number of residents who will need to self-isolate. Although it doesn't feel like it now, this pandemic will pass, and we will get back to celebrating and enjoying life with the ones we love. However, this will not happen if we don't all work together. We need all residents to follow the rules to self-isolate with their household members if they have symptoms, that is, a raised temperature, a new continuous cough, or a change or loss of senses of taste or smell, and get a test as soon as you possibly can. If you can't access a test immediately, please do not abandon the process. You must self-isolate for the 10 days required for you and 14 days for anyone who lives with you. This is key to reducing the spread of the virus, which, with figures rising in Warwickshire and across the country on a daily basis, is now more important than ever before. We must keep protecting each other and do the right thing for Warwickshire. Thank you.